Hello, greetings children. I hope all of you are doing good. Okay, now today we will continue with our lesson, that is Earth, from your third standard social studies. Okay, in the last session we completed about the activity which is given in your book about the Earth. In that you know that the Earth is more have the water on it, correct? No, and it has the oxygen we need to breathe. The Earth is the only one planet which supports the all living beings. About that all you already know, no? And now we will discuss about the shape of the Earth. And I hope all of you know the Earth is already in the round shape. You know, no? Round shape means it is not exactly like ball. It is like orange because something it is flattened on the Earth, on the tops, because on the poles, on the in the north and the south downwards ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹತ್ತಿಕ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೈತಿ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಕಡೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸೌತ್ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ಹತ್ತಿಕ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗೈತಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಡುವೆ ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಟೈತಿ ಬ್ಲಚ್ ಅಂತ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಉಬ್ಬಿದಂಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಯಾರು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಭಾಳ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಅವ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಉಬ್ಬಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥನೂ ಏನಾಗಿ ಹೊಟ್ಟೈತಿ ಫುಲ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಒಳಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಡುವ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಬ್ಬಿದಂಗೆ ಆಗೈತಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಕೆಳಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಪಟ್ನ ಬಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೈತಿ. For that it is in the spherical shape. Okay, all of you know about the shapes: triangle, egg shape, okay, rectangles, in the solid shapes also, square, cube, cone, but the earth is in the spherical. Understood? Okay, earlier times ಮೊದಲಿನ ಜನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ they all afraid of to go for long, ಅವ್ರ ದೂರ ಹೋಗಾಕ ಭಾಳ ಅಂಜ್ತಿದ್ರು. Why? They think that they will fall from the earth. Because earlier people don't know the earth is in the round shape. They believe that the earth is in flat like a plate. ನಿಮ್ಮನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ತಾಟು ತಗೋದು ತಾಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ದಬ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆಕೈತಿ ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಹಂಗೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಮೊದಲಿನ ಜನ. ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಥಿಂಕ್, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ನಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್. Okay, so the earlier people were afraid of that. But when the Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth is not in a flat, it is in a spherical shape. How he proved? See, now we will look about that only. Ferdinand Magellan was a navigator with his cruise in the year 1519 on 20 September 1590, Ferdinand Magellan from Spain. What he did? He took 5 ships and with 270 crew members with him. He took 270 people and he decided to took around on the earth. ಭೂಮಿ ಸುತ್ತ ಒಂದು ಸುತ್ತ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ he decided, and he went on his journey with 5 ships and 270 men in year 1590. Okay, after a long struggle, because they have to cross the ocean, and you know the Pacific Ocean is very dangerous. In such a time, before of that time only, he have that guts to cross the ocean. Okay, on April 27 in 1521, Magellan killed in a Philippine Island. Before of this only, Philippines when the Magellan died in Philippines, before of that only, his many men were died because of the hunger, because of the disease, because of the attack of the enemies, and because of the and this climatic conditions. Many men died before of their destination only. Okay, and afterwards in the year 1521, Magellan himself he killed by the enemies in Philippine Island. Okay, then a person named Johann Sebastian Elcano took over the control of the ships at that time. When they went on the 5 ships. ಅವ್ರ ಶಿಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು, 5 ಶಿಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು, 270 ಜನ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ದೇ ಆಲ್ ಡೈಡ್. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಸತ್ತು, ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಉಳಿದಾರು? ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಮೆಗಲನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡೈಡ್. ಮೆಗಲನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸತ್ತು ಹೋದ. ಈಗ ಜೋಹಾನ್ ಸೆಬಾಸ್ಟಿಯನ್ ಇಲ್ಕ್ಯಾನೋ ಅವ್ನ ಹೆಡ್ ಆದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ರು? ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ಶಿಪ್ಸ್. ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ವು? ಈಗ 2 ಶಿಪ್ ಇದ್ದು, ಮತ್ತ only 47 members. ಮತ್ತೇನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು 47 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸು ಅಷ್ಟ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಅವಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ he keep on his journey. ಅವನೇನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಮುಂದೆ ಅವ್ರ ಜರ್ನಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿದ್ರು. In the year, see here, the 8th September 1522. In the year 8th September 1522, he reached Spain with 17 men and 1 Victoria ship. ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ವಾಪಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಪೇನಿಗೆ ಬರುಕ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ 770 ಜನರೊಳಗ 270 men all they will die and only 17 men left with them. The 17 men only reached alive again to their houses. Others all died in the journey only. And one ship which is called Victoria is reached Spain back. And this is the first example who go around the world and he proved that the earth is not flat, it is in a round shape and we can go around the world. We can circle it. Like that the Ferdinand Magellan proved. Okay, for that the map is also given in your textbook, that is page number 213. See here, you can see this is the map of the world. This is the Pacific Ocean. This is the Pacific Ocean. This is the Pacific Ocean, a very dangerous ocean. Okay. Here, from here, Spain he started. From here, the Spain he started, and he went to like this, and he circled the earth, and he came back like this. Understood? I hope you understood this. Okay, this much you remember that the Ferdinand Magellan was the first person who circumnavigate ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರೋದು, ಒಂದು ಸುತ್ತ ಬರೋದು. He was the first person who circumnavigate the earth, okay, with his cruise members. It is a historical voyage whose proved the earth is round. Okay, I told you the earth is like a buzz. ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೈತಿ, earth is like a buzz like this. In this photo you can see fat man is sitting. Buzz means on ಹೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ಲ ಟಬುಕ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗಿ like is the earth is also like that only. Okay, and now you can see if you saw the seashore, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಮುದ್ರ ನೋಡಿರಿನ? If you saw the seashore, in the seashore is the end, you see that you feel that the sky and the sea are meeting together. ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತೆ ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಓ ಮುಗುಲ ಸಮುದ್ರ ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತೆ ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? If in your places also, if you look around in the top of the building somewhere, if you look, you can see somewhere you can feel that the sky is touching the earth and the earth and sky is meeting at one place. That place is called as horizon. The earth and the sky will never meet, but we feel like that. That place is called as, the meeting point is called as horizon. Okay, see, and horizon is called like the place where the sky and the earth will looks like to meet. They will never meet, but it looks like they are meeting. Okay, and something you have feel at what time you do many things according to timings. No, you have the breakfast in morning, you go jogging for morning, correct? No, you sleep at night, you take dinner at night, you do many things according to the timings only. Who set these all things? ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಲ, ಊಟ, ನಿದ್ದೆ, ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಎಲ್ಲರ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್, ಯು ಡೂ ಆಲ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಹೂ ಸೆಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್? ಹಗಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ರಾತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ? ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ವೈ? Because the earth is a place which rotates on its axis and which gives a day and night. Usually we all do the work in daytime and we will sleep in night. Okay, or not only we, many all animals, birds also mainly, they will all active in the daytime, they will sleep in the night time. Okay, all of you know that a day has the 24 hours. A day has the 24 hours, correct? No? In that What is the 24 hour? 24 hour means a day. It is a day. A day has the 24 hours. It is called as one day. It is a rotation. It is a rotation. See, I told you earlier only, when, for if example, I am the earth, when it will rotate like this, it is a one rotation. For this to rotate like this once, it will take 24 hours. It will take 24 hours and it is called as one day. Understood? Children, that is only called as one day, and the earth has its axis. All of you know the earth is in a round shape. Okay, this is the north pole and this is the south pole. Earth will not rotate in this straight form. It will rotate something like it's tilted. It will rotate like something tilted. Tilted means ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಸೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅನ್ನೋ. For example, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ it is in a ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಸೆ ಆಗೈತಿ. For example, this is the earth. Okay, this is the earth. ಇದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ, it will not rotate like this only. It will rotate like this. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತೆ ಅದು rotate ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. Okay, this is only called as the rotation. Okay, when ಇದು rotate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾನೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸುತ್ತ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಸುತ್ತ, when it go around the sun, it is called as revolution. We will look towards it afterwards. Now you look about a day has the 24 hours. Okay, the earth takes 24 hours to rotate on its axis. That is called as one day. Okay, pause ಮಾಡಿದಿ ಬಂತ ಮಂಜನ ಅಂತ ಅಯ್ಯೋ